Hi everyone, this is a video that I have promised to show you some of the connectors on the handlebar of your bicycle, or for that matter anywhere else in your bicycle that I use and I recommend. For instance, this bottle water holder that is very versatile. You can either connect it like this or like that. You can turn this around and it's just clamping to your handlebar very easily, and you just have to turn this round until the desired gap is achieved, and then you just, like quick release, just lock it, and it locks either way, this way or that way. And this way I don't think it does, but you can try. And all of these items on the table is just under £5, everything. And then there is another holder, that this one is very versatile as well, because it comes with narrow filling gaps, plastic filling gaps, and thick filling gaps for the narrow handlebars or thicker handlebars. And then the good thing about this is just you can open it, and then you can stretch it via this part. You see, it goes down to suit the narrow handlebar, and then it comes up for a thicker handlebar. And I fully recommend most of the things that I'm showing you and I tell you in good time. And one is going to adjust to your handlebar, and the other one to the whatever that you want to hold it with, and then it can rotate 360 degrees, and you have a screw there. You can adjust or tighten the screw on both sides, and this one came in a box like this, and it comes in different colors. Let me see if I can show you the colors that it comes with. Yeah, I'm afraid not. This is the box. It comes with orange, white, black, and I think is blue or something. This is the orange picture, and that is the white one. So I fully recommend these two up to now. And then we are going for mobile phone holders that you can use this. For the time being, I just connect this part that it comes with this mobile phone holder, just to show you that you can. Let me just do it now. We open this. It can either connect to here or directly to here. So this is if you purchase this, I'm not going to recommend this because it's getting heavy. So we are going to take this off and demonstrate this with the holder itself, that it goes like so. And then the good thing about this is fully adjustable, apart from the handlebar, that you can adjust this for any thickness. Look at this, my 2 fingers, this is the gap. And then from here you can just rotate this and just loosen it in any angle that you want, and then if you pull this a little bit high, and then you can rotate it to any other position. This is very versatile. I fully recommend this, but the only bad thing about this, I didn't have any bad things for these two, but the only bad thing for this is very heavy, and it comes like this. Is fantastic quality, is heavy duty, and is unfortunately very heavy. And at the end I'm going to show you which one I'm going to recommend to you. So this, for emergency, if you want to clamp something on, is good. And then we are going to the part of mobile phone holders. One is this that I mentioned it to you, that either you can connect it like so and twist it round and tighten it, or and this part is going to connect. This is another one. This is the one that I am recommending because it's very lightweight and it's really tight, and it has a plastic inside. And as you see, you know why I'm not recommending to use this for utilizing this part. Why is that? Is because you can connect this, which is not very heavy at all. You can put it on this one and connect it to your handlebar like so, or like this, and you can quickly remove, and it's going to hold your phone really tight with this bracket or clamp or whatever you might call it. And the adjustment is here. You can tighten it and loosen it in order to put it on your handlebar, and it has a protective plastic here as well. And the other, unfortunately, I'm not going to recommend any of these because you are going to risk your phone to drop out in an event that you are going to hit a very hard, bump on the road, and it's a little bit, big, this screw that is adjusting this tightly here. So this one is very tiny, but is not going to hold your phone, and you can use this with either of these because you can connect this to a 1/4 of an inch holder. But because of the spring action, I'm not going to recommend this. Your phone is going to drop out. And there is another one that is not recommendable. I made this myself with this ball joint that you can put in any direction. Again, because it has a spring, I'm not going to recommend this. And the last part is again another one that is, this one is rather old, and you can use this at home as a stand, like so. But again, because it has a spring action, I'm not going to recommend this as well. So I'm going to put this and this on the bicycle, and maybe this one, and I see you shortly. And this is the part 2 of the Trek FX 7.7 accessories. So I see you in a second. I'm back and I have connected everything, and an additional one, which is this unit, just to show you how clumsy maybe this part may be, but the clamp itself is really good, and I fully recommend that clamp with a knowledge that is a little bit heavy, this part, this unit, this clamp. And then this is for the water holder, and this is the clamp for anything that you would like. Is this one. Let me show you. Yeah, you can put anything there in any angles. You can turn that 360 degrees and put another bar there to put anything that you want to hold via that. Let me just put this light down here, and then I show you this, that you can turn this round and put another bar here or tube there to hold something, and then hang everything that you like there. And somehow is good for the light or torch, whatever that you want to put in here. And then we come to my favorite, which is this one, that is really solid. Let me see if you can see this without this light. I put it down and I show you how solid this one is, and as you see, is really solid. And only this is out here because the tube is very narrow. You can cut this, but if you can put it somewhere, I mean, hold it somewhere with a zip tie or something, you can use this back again with a thicker handlebar. And the water holder, I just disconnected the water holder, and it just comes up to here, and I put it back down, and I see you after. Here it is, and I put the bottle holder there as well. It's very convenient. It doesn't interfere with anything else and is lightweight. And for just the purpose of this video, I connected this clamp from here, thick handlebar, to a narrow handlebar there, just to show you how it goes. And I'm really happy with this unit. And then the other thing that I have to show you on this video is the rack. Is the video that I have made, and I promise that I'm going to connect this, and I'm going to show you in another video. And this is the final video that I'm making about this accessories, and everything gone very smoothly. And with the purchase of this seat post extension, the problem was solved, because I don't have any sort of screws here, and it's very solid, and I fully recommend this. And now in Halfords they reduced this to £27.50. You can go and purchase it. And that would be all about the completion of the Trek FX 7.7 accessories. And I have made another purchase, because this is a little bit, this bag, front bar pannier bag is a little bit bright and attracts attention to itself, I have purchased a black one that I show you the review of that bag. And then the rear light, I had to purchase a rear light because none of my lights would fit to this part, and it's just final pieces of the jigsaw that is going to complete my bicycle rides. And that would end this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.